So I'll show you now in a little room tour, a room in the Sequoia Lodge, a Golden Forest Klappzimmer. So here you have the first look. We have here a little flat TV and you can make coffee for water. You have storage room here. That's looking not so bad. The theming is all like Bambi theming. Here you have free water, glasses, the table, a little seating area. Then you have a view. That's not bad. In the middle of it, they have many sequoia trees. That's beautiful. Then you have curtains. You can close it. And we are together. 2 people live here. And we have 2 king-size beds. They are looking not so bad. With a welcoming present, chocolate, and yeah, here in the middle you have the light. That's looking nice. I like the wooden theming here. That's not bad. So now you have a picture from Bambi. That's also nice. The boudoir looks really nice. I like it. The floor is nice. Then you have there's go to another room, but it's closed. Then you have a sink to wash your hands and to brush your teeth. And yeah, you have this small presents here with the Mickey shape. You can dry your hair. That's also not so bad. Then you have towels and freezer, a little one. Storage room. Then you have here, you can leave your package there, and you have a safe. That's also nice. You can do something for your clothes, but I don't think many people want to do that in holiday, but it's also nice you have it. And then you have here a little bathroom with a curtain and a bathtub. That's so nice. You can take it with you for a little present, take it home. That's nice. I like that. And here you have the toilet. Nice little bathroom. Not so bad. So I think the room is not bad. I like the theming and yeah. That's a mirror here. I like the theming. It's one of the Disney hotels here. I think 4 or 5 they have, and yeah, it's not the newest room here or hotel. It's all a bit dated, but not so bad. So now I think I will have my bed test. If the mattress is good. So let's try it. Wow! Yeah, that's good. I think I have a good sleep here after a long day here in the Disney park. I like that room. So if you want to stay here in a Disney hotel, the Sequoia Lodge, Golden Forest room is a good thing you can have here. Yeah, I like it. So I hope it helps you and you have a little bit inspiration what for a room you take here. It's very big, you can dance here. So, that's the Golden Forest room. So, hope you liked that video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up and follow me on YouTube.